Alright, next up on the list we have atmospheric perspective. Now, atmospheric perspective is actually like that drawing we had back in the last video, well, first video, where everything that is closest to the viewer, the foreground, appears more clear, has a sharper image, and has stronger colors. The middle ground then would be slightly diluted from that, but still nothing too distinguishable. But then everything in the background has more of a faded look. And really, this right here outside the school is a perfect example. If you look down here, the green of the grass is nice and vibrant. But the plants, which should be roughly the same color, are a little faded because it's further back. And then look at the trees all the way back there. You know, once all these cars pass by, they are not nearly as clear. Sure, they're all roughly the same shade of green, but back there it starts to get more gray, more light, because it's now starting to blend in with the sky. Now, after this we're going to go into linear perspective, which I will say in that video is a little more realistic. But this form, atmospheric perspective, came up before artists really had any idea of how space and depth really worked. Look back at a lot of ancient history and you're going to see hieroglyphs, early Christian paintings. All of them had no real concept of depth of field. So when they started to get an actual concept, they created atmospheric perspective to show on 2D planes how a 3D plane should work. So, foreground, middle ground, all the way back there is the background. Moving on.